The internet has created a huge marketplace where consumers have endless buying options. This means you'll need to go beyond discounts and gimmicks to win their business and keep them engaged.
I'm London, and this is Emily. And in this video, we're going to share a few tips on how to create great customer-focused content for your email marketing.
When developing your email content, the type of email will inform what you're going to include. So for example, what's in a newsletter is going to be different than what's in a promo. But there are some features that all email content share.
To start, always keep your emails customer-focused, no matter the email type. It should always answer the question, what's in it for me, or what value are you providing to your customers?
Is it top tips and tricks that will make life easier, like in a newsletter, or is it a promotional email about exclusive savings? Either way, you need to make it abundantly clear to your customer how your email is providing value.
And assuming that they open the email, you only have 8 seconds to hook them, so make it count. Because customers don't read emails, they just scan through them to see if it's something that they're even interested in.
Put the most important information at the beginning of your email. It increases the chances your subscribers will see it. Keep your layout clean and simple and get to the point quickly.
If you're sending a longer email, like a newsletter, be sure to use subheadings and bulleted lists so that readers can easily see what they should be paying more reading time to.
All of your emails should have a clear and compelling call to action, or CTA. This can be anything from clicking through to a blog post or making a purchase. No matter what, it needs to be very obvious what you want your customers to do.
Your CTA should always be at the top of your message, and it's a good idea to create a sense of urgency. For example, set a deadline or use time-based phrases such as limited time offer.
Finally, a well-written email is important. Use language that is action-oriented and maybe try to get a little creative. Just don't overdo it with adjectives and exclamation points, and please don't use all caps.
And before you hit send, please proofread your message, then proofread it again, then have friends proofread it, just to make sure that you don't have any grammar issues and to make sure that your message is clear.
To recap, when creating email marketing content, be clear what value you're bringing to your customer. Keep it concise and scannable. Include a clear CTA and use urgency in promos. And proofread for grammar and clarity before clicking send.
I'm London, this is Emily. Till next time.